Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Privacy. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with Microphone. Following that, tap on one of your apps. I will go with From Not Allowed section and apply the best option for you by tapping on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select one of your features and look for an app that you are interested in. I will go into Location to manage my calendar. Now, instead of applying one of those options, click on See All Calendar Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!